calling you by name. Okay, you have to come here and put the dice down. Enter the number on the board and say what is that number. Are you ready? Yeah. You put the dice number 1. Put Akshay. What is that number? Okay, enter the number on the board. Can you put the dice again? What is this number? 3. Now tell me, children, what does 2 and 3 makes together? 23. Very good. Very good, Akshay. What's the dice, Nana? What is the number? 6. Okay, very good. Write the number 6 here. Okay. Take this dice and put the dice. What is this number? Okay, put the number 1 this side. Now tell me 6 1. Everybody. 6 1. What is this number? Count, Nana. 1. 5. Okay, let's put number 5. Can you roll it? Do it. What is the number? Now children, tell me what is the number 5? Roll it. What is the number? 5. Okay, let me put 5. Now, take one more dice. Do it again. What is that number? 4. Children, tell me what is the 5, 4? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. What is the number? 1. Okay, 1. Is it the right? Okay. Come on, Nana. Do one more. Wow, what is that number? 6. 1, 6 makes 16. Very good. Go, Nana. Nice. Roll it. What is the number? 2. Nana, is this number 2? No. Okay, is this number 2? Yeah. Very good. And take this dice also, do it. Count how many numbers are there? 5. Okay. 2, 5. What is this number? 5. Very good. And roll it. Very nice. Count what is the number? How many dots are there? 1. Okay, let me put 1. Okay. Now take this and roll it. How many dots are there? Count. 3. Okay, Nana, tell me 1, 3. Very good. Let's clap to everyone. And roll it. Roll like this. Okay. What is the number? 1. Okay. Nana, tell me, is this number 1? No. How to write number 1? Standing line. Okay, Nana, roll this. How many numbers are there? 3. 1, 3. 13. Very good. Count how many numbers are dots are there? 6. Very nice. Take this dice also. Now roll it. Count how many dots are there? 2. Nana, tell me 6 2. 60. Very nice. What is the number? Dots? 1. 1 dot. Okay. Now take these dice and roll it. What? How many dots are there? 5. Okay. 1, 5. Roll it now. Count how many dots are there? 6 dots. Okay. Now again roll this dice also. Now 1. Nana, 6 1. 61. Very nice. Roll this dice. Count how many dots are there? How many dots are there? Count. 1. 6. Okay, good. I'll write 6 here. Now again roll this, Nana. Take this, roll this. Now count again. Again 6. Nana, tell me 6 makes? Yes. Number 66. Okay. Count how many dots are there?
3.
Okay, number 3. Now take this, keep the dice down only. Now take this, roll it. Okay, how many are there? 1. Nana, everybody tell me 3, 1. Roll it. Okay, how many dots are there? 3. Okay, 3. Now, take this dice and roll it. Now count how many dots are there? Okay. 3, 1. 31. Very good. Count. Count again properly. 5. Okay. 5. Now can you roll this? Count how many there? Nana, take out your list. 5. Everybody tell me what is 5? 5 makes the number 55. Very good. Now let's roll this dice. Okay. Count how many are there? 3. Very good, Tulsi. Let's write number 3. Now can you take this and roll it again? Roll it again. Now count how many dots are there? 5, 6. Very good. Let everyone say 3, 6. 36. What is 3, 6? Very good. Roll the dice like this. How many dots are there? Count. How many? 4. Very good. Now again take this dice and roll, Nana. Count how many are there? 6. Very good. And everybody tell me 4, 6. Very nice. Dice and roll it. Very good. Let's count the numbers. 1. Say 1, 2, 3. Say 3. Say Nana. 3.